In this video, we will show you how to replace your battery hold down on this Ford Ranger. This will be located inside of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your battery. Along the inboard side of it, you're going to find that you have an 8mm headed bolt that goes down into the battery tray, holding down the battery hold down. Remove the bolt and the battery hold down. There it is, friend. Okay, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new battery hold down. Make sure you have it in the proper positioning. So this area is facing towards the battery, and this area with the 2 slots is facing towards the battery tray, inboard. Align your mounting bolt hole. We'll use the shorter one here. Align the mounting point, start it in by hand, and then you can snug it up. Now that we have that started in, let's bottom it out. Double check to make sure your battery is completely secure. At this point, you can go ahead and close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.